Hey there, let's see how to make a simple profile screen with Gravit Designer. Let's start with page selection. I'll choose iPhone 8. Now let's get started. Color palettes. I'll choose bluish design, so I'll go for darker one first. Next I'll choose a lighter version. Okay, now palette is ready. Now I will start with the header section of design. I will make sure it will cover 1/3 of screen. Okay, now choose blue, medium blue. Now I will add status bar, lighter version. You can download the image from the link in the description. The status bar of iOS, a later version. I added some adjustments. I will start with profile section. Okay, I'll draw ellipse first, holding Control Shift, make sure it's center, and I'll choose transparent color and a border of let's see 3, how it looks like. Okay, fine with 3. Now I'll add some image I got from website. Let's put inside ellipse so that it will clip outside of the image. Okay, now I'll make some adjustments so that face will look at some center section. Okay, it's too much. I'll reduce. Okay, looks good. I'll add some call button in the left side of the profile image. We can get it from libraries of Gravit Designer. Okay, I got one, and reduce the size. Make sure it's okay. I'll add now message icon on right side. Where is it? Oh, good, message icon. Okay, I got one. Reduce the size as well. Should be same size as much of call button. Okay, both are ready. I'll go back to layers to change the colors. I'll rename it first, and I will change the name as well here, and the message. Okay, so far good. Now I'll change the phone icon color to whiter. Sorry, yeah. And I'll add it inside a circle so it will match the theme. I'll give a border of size 2 and white color as well. I duplicate the circle for message icon as well. Okay, I missed to add the color for the message icon, so I'll move the circles inside respective groups. Okay, let's change the color as well. Make sure it's center. Okay, change the color. Okay, and even phone icon I want to make it center inside the group, vertically and horizontally center, and overall images also in center size. Looks good so far. We'll start with the profile name next. I'll give some random name. I'll add white color and text align center. I'll expand header section. I'll add location for the profile. I'll choose London for example. Reduce size of to 13 pixels and I'll change color to white. Now I'll go back to library again and I'll search for location icon. Okay, this looks good. I'll reduce the size after changing the color to white, and I'll move to group. I'll keep left side of location. So far it's good, but it's not center. I'll make center. So I'm making in a group so that it will look much better. Okay. I'll make one more group. Total texts in a group. So these entire items will be in header section. So I'll move below background. Okay, arrangement is necessary to have a good quality of design. Give a palette name and I'll lock it so that it won't change anywhere. Okay, now header section is completed. Now I'll start with the contact details because it's contact profile page what I intended to do. Starting with phone number, I will have a name, phone number in text. I will give a lighter version so it's not highlighted anymore. Reduce the font size to standard 13. One more text for the actual phone number. Make it now dark. I'll give some random number. Okay, now I will add some line to separator line. That gives a list kind of effect. I'll give a border size 2 and again it's lighter version. version of color, so I'll reduce the distance margin and make sure first cell, I'll name it as a first cell group. Now I can just have to duplicate for the email as well, so I make it as a second cell and I'll move down to create email. Okay, that's should be parallel, so email and some random email, say john.del at gmail.com. Okay, so far good. Now again I'll duplicate to create one more. What should be phone number, email, okay, date of birth, how it's about date of birth, so duplicate again one more cell, third cell, again move down the copy to, okay, oops, move both, select only one cell, third one, move, okay, okay, any cell, rename to date of birth, or I'll give some random date, 11 12, okay, what should be 1880, 1890, okay. Okay, so far good. I'll reduce the gap between each cell details because it won't look good now. Okay, and reduce the border size as well, so it won't highlight much. So user should focus on the values of each cell, not on the other contents. So hide the palette. Now it's, yep. Let me add navigation bar. It's missing right now, so I'll start with the edit button. I will add on top right corner and I'll duplicate it, same label, into profile, and I'll search for a back arrow in the libraries. This one is looking good. I'll add it on the left side. Change the color, make it center. Okay, profile screen is now ready. Hope you liked the video and you learned how to make a simple profile screen. Thank you for watching. See you in next videos. Bye bye.